G'day, how's it going? I'm Nathan and thanks for stopping by. If you're thinking of renovating your bathroom, then you've come to the right place. Before we get going, do you know the three biggest mistakes people make when renovating their bathrooms? Mistake number one, spending too much or too little on the renovation. We'll show you how finding the right balance can save you money without sacrificing quality or style. Mistake number two, entrusting your project to unqualified or unproven contractors. We believe in excellence, and our team of fully qualified experts guarantees quality results every time. Mistake number three, falling for trends at the expense of functionality. We'll show you how to strike the perfect balance between style and usability, creating a bathroom that truly suits your lifestyle. But please don't get overwhelmed. We're here to help and guide you toward a bathroom renovation that will truly exceed your expectations. At Elite Bathroom Renovations Melbourne, we pride ourselves on our expertise and reputation. Our fully qualified team is dedicated to delivering outstanding results every time, backed by years of experience and many satisfied clients. We believe in getting it right the first time so you get to enjoy that brand new bathroom you very well deserve from day one. Hey, don't take our word for it. Let our work speak for itself. Take a look at the pictures of some of our previous jobs on this website. What sets us apart? It's our unwavering commitment to quality and customer happiness. We believe in going the extra mile to ensure you're completely satisfied. Are you ready to make your bathroom dreams a reality? Contact us today for an obligation-free consultation by filling in your details above or call us anytime on 1300-487-099 and ask for David. We operate in western suburbs of Melbourne. Thank you for considering Elite Bathroom Renovations Melbourne. Let's transform your bathroom into a space you'll absolutely love. We look forward to hearing from you soon.